Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. Yes, Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. We have here in this newspaper three regular puzzles. The first one is a binary. The second one a medium Sudoku. And the third one a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But first we will solve this binary. And by the way, in this newspaper there is also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, so 3 extra puzzles plus these regular Sudokus, also 3, total of 6 I will do. So let's get started with the first one, and the first one is a binary number 3561. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a no. Okay. Then. How about? Let me scan. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Interesting. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, in this row, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Right. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in this row. 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 7 minutes. Yes. Without any comparing. I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Yes. Don't forget, did mention we have 6 tips to avoid failure. Tip 2, track your progress. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.